How to change A's on the Bingo Blitz. If you want to change your A's and wondering on how to change it, don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open your Bingo Blitz app, just like this. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now to change A's, tap onto your profile icon at the top right here. Tap on it. Then here you can find edit profile right here. Now select it. Then here you can find date of birth, just right here. Now tap on to select. Now add your date of birth, and by adding the date of birth your age might be changed. As there is no any built-in feature to change your age on the Bingo Blitz, so by changing your date of birth you can change your age. Now add it, just like this, and tap on to set right here, and tap on to confirm once again. And now you can see it has been changed, and tap on to done. And that's it. This is how you can change age on the Bingo Blitz. Now enjoy playing your game. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.